Morning traders, Greg McLeod here from the Elite Traders University, forex cash machine, and My Market Heatmap. And it's the 25th of May, and looking at My Market Heatmap, and we see that the Kiwi dollar's in the top spot, up 0.51%. And so I'm going to go long. Green means that currencies are in an uptrend. Red means that currencies are in a downtrend. See that all the dollar pairs are all down. The dollar is weaker today. This is a risk-on day. So I'm going to go over to my trading platform. I'm going to go to NT4. Get my trade on the Kiwi dollar. Got long at 72.47. And so maybe make a few $100 here. Maybe we can make some money today. And go back to sleep. It's kind of early. So we had the New Zealand, some data that came out of New Zealand, a rate decision, and it was pretty bullish for the currency. In fact, I've been in and out of it most of the evening yesterday. In fact, we go to the calendar, so we can go ahead and we get maybe up $1,000. We'll go ahead and close it out. Let's see if we'll break 50. Where's my close button? Oh. Okay, so we closed it. So we closed it for $800. So we've been, like I said, we've been trading Kiwi dollar for a bit. So it was a pretty good day. If you want to learn how to trade the foreign currency market and make a lot more than Bitcoin, I love Bitcoin too, but I can do this in my sleep, and you just saw me do it. Give me a call. You can actually go to our website, elitetradersuniversity.com, and you can learn all kinds of information about the forex market. It's the world's largest market in the world. $6.1 trillion a day is traded on the foreign exchange market. Larger than crypto, larger than the stock market, larger than the bond market, or futures, or commodities, or oil. The forex market's where it's at, guys. Reach out to me, and if you want to be trained, let me know, and see if we can work with each other. Okay? Take care. Cheers.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!